So I wanted to come really quickly and I just wanted to give you guys some ideas on, what are my hands doing? Like, what is this? Valentine's Day gifts that are not gonna break the bank. We are in a pandemic, and even if we weren't, they're not gonna break the bank, and you can most likely get them last minute. So the first thing that I can think of, I dropped one of my, hold on. So the first thing that I can think of to immediately get someone would be a keychain. So here are a few keychains that you can pick from. If your Valentine enjoys food, drinks, blah blah blah, I would recommend doing a gift box. Now you can buy gift boxes off of Etsy or other places, or have someone make it for you. I would recommend just doing it yourself. There is nothing, I promise you, there is nothing like a DIY gift if you are able to do that. Yes, I would say make a DIY box of like food, like snacks, their favorite snacks, favorite drink. Possibly you can add in that keychain if you want to throw in your favorite movie, and then just make it into a whole date night thing. I would recommend a Zen book. Here is one that I have. Let me zoom in for you. Let me skip to a page I haven't written in. So it's super colorful. It just gives good, super good energy. This one obviously has curse words, so if the person that you are like gifting this to is not, they don't believe in cursing, I wouldn't recommend giving this to them. But if they do, let's see. Pardon the language if you just read that, I am sorry. See what my eyelash is doing? I really tried to be a girl today, and better than the first one. That link will be below. I think another good gift idea is a vacation. Now, with this, I'm gonna say you're not surprising them with a vacation, but you're surprising them with the promise of a vacation. You could do this by getting a basket and filling it with like sunscreen, a swimsuit, sunglasses, and then saying, you know, when this pandemic is over, I'm going to take you X, Y, and Z. Or if you're going to like, I don't know, Colorado or something, fill it with the hat and a scarf and chapstick. Another gift idea is a playlist, completely free. I love when people make me a playlist. It's just, I love music so much, so if you make me a playlist, you don't have to buy me anything. I don't need a card, nothing. Give me a playlist as the songs that remind you of me and or some time that we spent together, something like that, and I will be a happy girl. A lot of people are not into manifestation or things of that nature. This gift, it'll be hit or miss for some people, but I do enjoy like looking and like reading up on gifts like these, crystals and such. So this is one, these are some that I have. Oops, I am clearly not a YouTuber. Oh, and these on my hands, these are like birthmarks, beauty marks, etc. They're really pretty. Some people really use them and believe in their capabilities. Others just like to look at them. So this one's my favorite. This lighting is not even giving it justice. It's extremely pretty. Another gift you can always get someone is an edible arrangement. Now you could always do this yourself. I always, for like every holiday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Grandparents' Day, I would always DIY when I was back in Washington. For my grandma, I would just hollow out a cantaloupe or something like that, honeydew, and I would make shapes with other fruits and put them in there, so then it's like a DIY edible arrangement. I will insert a random photo of somebody who I don't know right there. You don't have to necessarily go through edible arrangements. There are a ton of food and fruit deliveries that may be cheaper. They may be available in your area. And of course, you can get somebody flowers for Valentine's Day. You can always pick those up at the store. You can hand pick them, which would be super sweet. If you guys are able to hand pick flowers, do that. Because at least I'm the type of person, if you hand pick something for me or DIY something for me or something like that, I love that stuff. You could always get someone like, this is gonna be crass, but you could always get someone like lingerie or like a toy, an adult toy. That, yeah, just that one, like it really depends like on how close y'all are. All right, this next gift is, again, we have 2 gifts on here that are absolutely, nope, 3, well, kinda. The third one, absolutely free. So the first one I said was the playlist. This next one, all you need is printer. And what it is relationship tickets or like coupons. I think they're coupons. So you can just search them up or you can make them yourself and you print out like a sheet of coupons. I'll insert a photo right here. So relationship coupons, you basically are like, hey, you can cash in this coupon if you want a massage. You can cash in this coupon if you want me to cook tonight, or if you need some time alone, cash in this one. Another gift that you could do is if you have oils already and you have candles, of course, you can give oils and candles as gift, but if you have them already, just heat up the oil and like you can bathe them or shower with them and then get out and then give them a massage. Like, who don't like a massage? Actually, there are some people who don't like massages. For me, it just depends on where you're touching me. Like, don't touch my feet, please. Gift option number, whichever, is a body pillow. You could get someone, even if they're not pregnant, you can get someone like a pregnancy pillow. They're so comfortable. A gift that I can think of is a whiskey box. So I recently got someone this. It's super nice. If the person you know likes a nice cup of whatever, whiskey or whatever, I'm gonna insert a picture of the one that I purchased. So you could get just the box, and if it's like a group of you guys, someone could get the box and someone can get a nice thing of liquor or something if you drink, or get some Sprite or some sparkling water or something, whatever the person drinks. So I turn on light because the sun is going down, and it just wasn't. Flashes, I'm about to just like peel them off after this video. Let's say a teapot. You can't really go wrong with the teapot, especially if it's in their absolute favorite color. I just got my cousin one not too long ago, and it was baby blue, and I got her that so that it matched the record player that I got her for Christmas. I don't know, I just think when you like color coordinate, like those things can apply to like other gifts in the future. If you got someone a red bookmark, and then you got someone a red book for the next time, and then you got someone like you saved up and you bought someone a red bookcase or something, like I think when you color coordinate, it kind of like, I don't know, it all flows. Thought of another gift. You can get someone a lunchbox. Yeah, you can get someone a lunchbox just to like say, hey, you know, when quarantine's over, like, and you go back to the office or whatever the case may be, here's a brand new lunchbox that you can take. So I think I'm gonna end it here. It really doesn't matter what you get someone. I really hope that this video did help those, so that you know that you don't really have to break the bank. I know social media kind of makes it seem like you really need to break the bank in order to please whomever you're trying to give gifts to. It doesn't. But as long as you show that, hey, I was thinking about you, even if your gift is just a phone call, I don't know, it's literally better than nothing. I really hope that this video helped someone, and yeah, I will be back with a new video as soon as I can.